Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay bringing you another work from home job lead. Today's job lead is exciting because it's for those of you who want to work from home but don't have a home office setup. This company is giving you a free MacBook Pro to work with, and then they're also giving you a work from home stipend so that you can build your complete home office. So if you don't have a home office and that is what is keeping you from being able to work from home, this is the job for you. But real quickly, I just want to ask that if this job lead is helpful, or if you find any of my job leads helpful, please like this video and also share with your friends and family. That way we can all live our healthiest, happiest lives working from home and have that great work-life balance. But without wasting any more time today, the company Splash, they are a startup company. They're on a mission to develop innovative event technology to help marketing companies and marketers reach and engage target audiences. They are hiring a customer success manager, and this is anywhere within the United States. So for my international viewers, I'm sorry, this is US only. So this position is great because not only does it get you set up for everything you need to work from home, but it also gets you into management. So you are actually managing the customer success team. So they're looking for someone who is able to understand client needs and problems and translate them into product recommendations. You'll utilize full suite of resources that they have available to increase client adoption. You'll consistently look for opportunities to expand the client use case with Splash. You'll have to know and apply the fundamental concepts and practices of proactively managing the customers. And then when customers ask questions, you need to understand the drivers behind why they are asking those questions so you can offer insights beyond the direct questions. Now, they are looking for someone who has 2 to 3 years of experience in customer service or relationship management role. Of course, someone who has great communication skills, someone who can do in-person and virtual presentations, someone who has the ability to think strategically and act tactfully, someone who is business-minded and decision-making focused. They want someone who can work with Google Docs or Microsoft Office, either one. And it says you do get bonus points if you've had coaching or volunteer experience because they're really looking for someone who is a team player. Now, of course, while they did not list the pay for this position, pay is always dependent on location and experience. They do offer a brand new MacBook Pro. They offer the work from home stipend. And of course, they also offer a competitive base salary and stock options, which can lead into more money. And of course, they offer healthcare and paid time off. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.